I say somebody's excited to get on the blue tractor here. So when the boy's with me, he has to help with farm work. I shouldn't say he has to help, but his mom's away. So we're gonna hook up to the manure spreader, get ready to clean manure. You excited, Ryder? Okay, go to the other side. The steps on, well, because the step's not on that side. Ready? Yep. Let's hop up there and then we'll start it. Use glow plugs. So look, tell me when that orange light in the middle goes off. Okay. You see the two red lights? Right there on the dashboard.
I do.
Okay. When that orange one goes off in the middle, we will... Is it off?
Yes.
Okay. You ready? Keep on going. There you go. Alright, so now, watch what we do. Okay, we're going to pull this pin. Here, help me pull this pin. Help me pull this up. Right there. And then we're going to take it off. Pull it off. And then we're going to put it right there. Dump your nut. Dump it. Push over. Like this, buddy. Here, watch. We're going to push it over this way. Help me. Ready? Watch your dumping it. Okay? There we go. Dump it again. It's higher now. Alright, we don't need this. Good job, buddy. Push it down. Over. Push it down. And then we're going to go. Okay, go down here. As you see, Allison is by the fence. Just has his leg over her. Lacey's paying attention to him, but not doing anything wrong. Hey, but we need to feed the mares over here. Toss it over. Can you do that? Good job trying, buddy.